So I was wondering something. I was wondering how human beings learn to eat other animals. How would it occur to us to kill an animal and then put it in our mouths, well, after cooking it or whatever, and put it in our mouths? And just the cooking I don't understand either. I'm guessing, I suppose, that there was some kind of forest fire or whatever that killed some rabbits or a fox or whatever. And then humans came across the chickens or animals that were burned to death by this fire. And then realized that it smelled good and they started eating it. So I reckon it was some kind of forest fire that started our ability to eat food, to eat animals. I'm still thinking that it doesn't make sense why we would go with a fishing rod and catch a fish and then cook it and eat it. It's just strange that we would do something like that because there's no natural way I would think that we could think to eat fish in this way. It's just really weird. And there's some food that can't be eaten without putting it through certain processes or whatever. Or nuts you have to crack out of a shell or whatever. There's some inventive ways that we've learned to eat. There aren't just simple ways that it's clear how we learn to eat. There's some unusual ways to eat food. And some food can only be eaten when it's been through a certain process. I can't think of anything off the top of my head now, but I know that there are some food that can only be eaten when they've gone through quite a complicated process. I don't know why I can't think of anything right now, but there are some foods that are like that.